What's up, everybody? It's Danny B from Rack Ops. I hope everyone's doing having a great day today. So I'm bringing you my first card break today. We got 2024 Topps Chrome UFC cards. So like many people, I'm an old school UFC fan. I was looking through some of my old cards from 2009, and I had the Topps UFC round 2 cards, as you can see I have displayed here. Other than the Mike Tyson, Allen, and Ginter, I love my UFC. I love my fights. So I'm hoping for something really good out of this box. But before we start, I'm gonna have a sip to my brothers and sisters in the military, active and former active. I'm gonna drink some Dewar's 12. It's a very good sipping scotch in my opinion. So, cheers to all of you. Thank you for everything you do every single day. All right. So what do we got? We got, how many packs come in this box? 6 packs? Let's find out. So it's guaranteed 1 autograph per box. So I'm hoping for something good. I got this straight from the UFC website. And that box seems to be not in the best condition, but it's all good. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 6 packs. All right, 8 cards per pack. All right, let's get it. Sean Strickland, Roman Doliz, I can't even pronounce it. Israel Adesanya, fighting Sean Strickland. The Preacher's Daughter, Holly Holm. First hit out of 77 out of 299, Vanessa Demopoulos. Sorry guys, I can't say all these names. I'm an old school UFC fan. Some of these new guys and gals, I don't know who they are. Cowboy Donald Cerrone, hey, one of my favorites, a veteran of the sport. Gain, saw him get beat by John Jones, but, you know, definitely young in the sport, up-and-comer heavyweight. And William Gomez, no idea. All right, let's keep busting these open. All right, Rafael Fiziev. Cheryl Maninotov. Oh, he just fought, I think, last Saturday and won. Dustin Poirier. Awesome. What's Connor call him? Swamp trash? he did say that when Dustin whooped his butt twice, but Dustin's great. Dan Hooker, another veteran. Dude's been around for a long time. Vincent Luque. Okay, so that's our autograph. Oh, is this the Polish experiment? Prochazovaka? I can't even say it, guys. Again, I'm trying. Bill Algio. Rafa Garcia. All right, keep on keeping on. All right. Otman. Mackenzie Dern, she's a up-and-comer. Hey, Max, the Blessed Holloway, Max, amazing fighter. Dude's always entertaining. Josh Emmett, knockout artist. He reminds me of the guy that used to always fight used to fight Frankie Edgar all the time. His name is escaping me, but another knockout artist. Glover Texera. Okay, what's this? It's Alan Agenter. Wasn't expecting that, but Glover, another old school veteran, former light heavyweight champion. And Valentina Shevchenko. I can't even say her name, but she's amazing. If you ever seen her fight. Neil Magny, Rob Font, Alexander Pantoja, Anderson Silva. Hey, the original OG GOAT. Curtis Blades, unfortunately came up short in the heavyweight belt the other day, but you know, never sleep on Curtis Blades, guys. What is this card here? Aaron Blanchfield. Alexander Volkanovski. Hey, this guy's amazing. You know, if you ever look at his old pictures, man, this guy was like 200 plus pounds. He looks nothing like he does today back then. But he was a rugby player, I think, at the time, too. Great, entertaining fighter. Paul Craig. I see somebody that I'm a big fan of. Okay. Bryce Mitchell, controversial, but he's a good dude, man. I think he's hilarious, and he speaks what he thinks. So you got to respect that. Another Alexa Gracio, fired up. These aren't numbered, are they? No, they're inserts, but not numbered. Arnold Allen. And my dude, Michael Chandler. I got to meet this guy back in San Diego many years ago when he was still fighting for Bellator. Great guy. Amazing fighter. Very entertaining. You know, I don't think Conor McGregor really wants this fight, but we'll see. But you see right there, it looks like it's slightly damaged the card, but I don't know if that's just the way it is or it's printer lines. I don't know if you guys can see that. But Michael Chandler, great, entertaining fighter in my eyes. All right, we got one more. Let's see. Again, it's guaranteed one autograph per box. Not too happy with that autograph, but I think I paid about $45 for the card, for the box. Ricky Simon, Pedro Munoz versus Jose Aldo, another legend. No idea who that is. Gilbert Burns, always entertaining. Great fighter. No idea. What do we got here? Okay. Suarez. Tatiana Suarez, no idea. Manon Farrow, nope. And Jalen Turner. So that's that. So let's take a look at the autograph. Vincent Luque. And that's about it. So, cheers. This was fun. And thank you for joining me. I can't wait to produce the next video. I'll have a special guest. We'll be popping open a Elite Trainer box of Pokemon cards. And so I look forward to seeing you. And please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I appreciate you all. And until next time, take care. Danny B out. Cheers.